So I want to take a look at this item that I just bought recently here off of Amazon. It's the Fotoconic CL-110N. This is a quick release clamp which fits the Arca Swiss quick release plates. And I've got a project coming up that I need that for. And then it also comes with this 3/8 male by 1/4-inch female adapter. So you can either use this on a tripod with 3/8 or 1/4-inch, depending what you're going to be using it for. And I paid just about $29 for this, and I'm very happy with the construction. It's very nice for the price. As you can see here, it's spring loaded. It does have a bubble level on the knob, so if you're shooting it like this, and it also has a bubble level on top. And as per the Amazon website, you can see the size of this quick release clamp. Here you see from the top side those holes. Now, the small ones are 1/4-20s. The larger ones are 3/8 16. We'll take a look at them from the bottom side. Now the knob here that's knurled for tightening it down is real nice. You can get a good solid grip on it. And it is held captive, so when you go all the way out, it does not unscrew any further, so that you can't lose that. You can't accidentally allow it to come out. Here's a close-up of the bubble level. So let's try this Arca plate that I have for one of my Nikon cameras. Now something else that I find really nice about this is the numbers are engraved and not just painted on. So that's nice if you want to do a setup and you want the position of the camera in the same spot as far as on this saddle. So as you can see, you could put it wherever you wanted, and if you had to take the camera off, you could put it back on and have the repeatability of it being in the same position. So I think you'd be very happy with this. I'm going to use it for a project here. I'll do a separate video on that. And for the price, you just can't beat it. Really, really good quality.